Meaning of fallen.
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 Fallen. The term fallen usually refers to something that has dropped or descended from its original position or status. It implies a state of decline, downfall, or defeat. The result of something that has fallen could be a physical change in location such as a tree falling down, or a more abstract change in status such as a person losing their job or reputation. The term also carries connotations of sadness, failure, and loss. Overall, fallen signifies a negative change or outcome from a previous state.